दोस्तों, welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. Today is 22nd Feb 2021. This channel is my journey in stock market, where in this specific video I do a weekly wrap on Reliance, restructure my strategy on Reliance, study my M10 position and build a trade plan for the next trading week. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas on Reliance. So let's see how Reliance is looking on first on weekly basis. So on weekly basis, Reliance has closed above 20, above 50. From last 3 weeks, Reliance is looking quite strong. So it is also above 50 and 200. So on weekly basis, currently Reliance is definitely in uptrend. Now on daily chart, if you see in the last week, currently Reliance has closed above 50, above 8, above 20 and above 200. So on daily chart also, Reliance is looking in uptrend. Now, 15-minute chart, when we look, although I don't want to trade Reliance on 15-minute chart, but it gives a good indication on which direction the market, the stock is going. So, in 15-minute chart, when you see Reliance has closed below 20, just above 8 or exactly at 8, above 50 and above 200. So, here Reliance is in downtrend. Now, when we look into Reliance on daily chart basis, we see that Reliance is now actually giving support to the market and is somewhere holding the market. My strategy on Reliance is definitely to hold, and currently what we see is that if you have a position in Reliance, then idea is to hold. I currently do not have any position in Reliance, so in last week I entered somewhere on 16th of Jan, so 16th of Feb, so in this green bar, and then I exited on 18th of Feb. I also tried to re-entered on 19th Feb, but I squared off my position on 19th of Feb. So that's what I did on Reliance in last week, and now I don't have any position in Reliance. So now what I'm thinking is that I look forward to buy Reliance on dip, because on weekly and daily basis it is on downtrend. It is an uptrend, I'm sorry, and on 15-minute chart it is showing weakness. So if Reliance will further start correcting, then Reliance will now have a very good support at 1976, because by the time it will come here in say next one or two trading session, the 20 and 200 bar will move up and 2000 will become a very strong support for Reliance. So for any chance if I get an opportunity to get Reliance at 2000, that will be fantastic opportunity to enter. Or if Reliance for any reason is crossing 212019, so if we have a breakout on about 2119, then Reliance is a good buy. One can also think of shorting Reliance here, but I don't think so. You want to take that chance, because on weekly and daily basis Reliance is an uptrend. So my strategy for Reliance in coming week is buy on dip. I will have a patience and I will wait till I'll get a level of 2000. So at 2000 it becomes a very good buy. After that one can enter at 1931. So 1931 is another very strong support for Reliance. I don't think so Reliance will go below 1931. So uh, buy on dip in the range of 2000. So if I get an opportunity to between 2024 2000, it's not a bad buy for hold it. Now after this I'm gonna start playing my game of holding it. So I will buy a March future and I will hold it for the whole March. That's an idea. And then I will, whenever I will get another dip, I'll buy on the lot, and that's how I build my folio on Reliance. So that's my strategy on Reliance for month of March. So now let's look into how I'm doing in terms of my profit and loss. So this is equity trade on Reliance from Jan till now, and here I have made on Reliance around 64,000 profit. On futures trade, which I recently changed my stand, and now on futures trade on Reliance, I have around 22,000 rupees profit. So Reliance is making good money for me. So that's the plan. Stay focused. So as a strategy, what I do is that I work only on five instruments. That is Nifty, Bank Nifty, Reliance, HDFC Bank, and Hero MotoCorp. If you want to know, if you feel that I should make a video on weekly wrap on HDFC Bank and Hero MotoCorp, then please put in the comments. Jai Hind and have a good week ahead. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade.